I love a good eggs Benedict, okay?
Ooh, Benny.
Yes, and I also love something that we fight about a lot, Jeff.
Oh, boy.
What's
Pizza.
that?
Pizza.
Oh, no.
I love pizza. All right, so I'm combining them to make my easy pizza eggs Benedict.
What?
Whoa.
Yes, and it is
Whoa.
easy. There are a lot of little moving parts, but it's super simple with a trick from GZ that's on the way as well, all right? So the first thing I wanna do is start with all of the flavor bases. So we've got some tomato. Katie, you've got some pepperoni over there. Just throw them on the sheet
Can we
for
put 'em
me.
right on
Yeah,
here?
you know, 20,
Do they need to
25,
be like
30.
a single layer?
Single layer, just give them a little bit of space so they can breathe and the fat can marinate and hang out.
I
Yeah,
like
we're gonna
it.
crisp them
Uh-huh.
up. This recipe originates from me going to a hotel and I had the breakfast there and they had a pizza eggs Benedict and it was delicious, but it was hard to eat. So I wanna make it easier to eat. You know, it was beautiful, but it wasn't practical. Okay, big old beef steak tomatoes.
Beautiful.
You're gonna hit them with a little bit of olive oil spray.
Beautiful.
Okay. You can drizzle some olive oil as well. You see I've got it right here, but I'm just gonna do it exactly what I did at home. Some Italian seasoning.
I'm gonna have pepperoni fingers after this.
Just lick them, girl.
Oh, I
Just
love
lick them.
pepperoni fingers.
Some salt and some pepper. I've got the oven set at 375 degrees. This is just gonna kind of soften them up and intensify the flavors.
Am I bringing mine over to you?
Yeah, actually, if you could bring your pepperoni over here,
Oh, boy.
put them in and bring out the pepperoni. I'm gonna
Oh, my gosh.
Little bit
It's a
of
traffic
dance.
jam.
What a dance.
coordination.
Traffic jam.
Wow.
All right.
Ooh, it smells good over here.
So they're gonna come out looking like this. You know, they're not gonna be completely roasted down, but look at how tender that is.
Oh, they're going right in.
They're going
there.
right in. This is the fastest kind of quick marinara.
Oh,
Okay.
I like this. So
Yeah,
it's
is it good? Is it okay?
fundamentally sound, right? You're
Yeah.
just
What can I do for you with these eggs?
Oh, okay. So the eggs for our eggs Benedict. GZ,
Yes.
you have lightened up my world.
What did I do
Because as
now?
I tell you, the eggs Benedict are my favorite breakfast. They really, truly are. But I would always get them out because, man, I'm not making that hollandaise and I'm not, you know, poaching the egg. I mean, I would, but not all the time.
I know where you're going with this.
Now that you have shown me how to do your GZ method, Morrow, you've got a method.
Yeah,
GZ
yeah.
also has a method of poaching my eggs in the microwave. I can't Benedict enough. You don't
Egg
remember that,
in
Jeff?
the mug.
Yeah, I remember.
So Katie's just cracking an egg into our mug, about a ½ an inch of water to cover. You're gonna pop it in the microwave for a minute each. Your microwave might not be like our microwave. Wattages change, even the temperature of the water, the temperature of the egg. So you're just gonna have to kind of find your sweet spot. Every once in a while, go a little bit over, and I'm okay with that. All right, let me blitz this up.
We haven't talked about eggs Benedict, I don't think, ever on this show, have we?
I mean, I'm sure we've made some.
We're done.
Wow,
Oh, look
that
at
was
that.
quick.
I love this version so far, but does anybody know where the first actual version of eggs Benedict came from? And the year.
I don't think I do.
I'm gonna say it was probably like at a hotel and there was a mistake and somebody decided that they needed something fast.
In 1860
Ooh.
at Delmonico's right down the street in New York City.
Oh. Really?
Yes.
The first restaurant in New York City
Yes,
was
and Ron
Delmonico's.
Hoffer, the chef in 1894, wrote the recipe.
Wow.
How about that?
Wow.
But it's very, I thought it was French, you know,
Yeah,
it
right.
sounded French, you know.
Pepperoni
Hollandaise.
came out of the oven.
Okay,
Okay, see the you.
let me see
Yeah,
those.
let me
you
see
want
those.
one. Just
Jeff,
one,
just
Jeff.
One each.
Just one.
What are they called?
Okay?
These have a name.
These are
things.
pepperoni cups.
Yeah.
They're a cup in
Yes.
jars.
Yeah, they're not super
Oh.
puppy, but they're really yummy.
Oh my God.
Same thing, about 375 in the oven until you see them crisp up, about 15
I'm giving
minutes.
these 15 seconds longer.
Perfect. All right, so let's make this sauce that's not hollandaise, but we're making eggs Benedict pizza style. So what's gonna go on top is a nice cheese sauce.
I'm so happy.
I love
Okay?
that.
Heavy cream, whipped cream cheese, a little stabilizer.
What?
You need a stabilizer, just
Whipped
like the
cream
hollandaise.
cheese.
Whipped. Just really because I'm too impatient to wait for it to get room temp. Whipped cream cheese comes out and
I'm
it's
okay.
ready to spread, right?
This is okay.
So then when it comes out, you can just pull them out with a spoon. Sometimes I'll just be over a sink with a slotted spoon and I'll pour the mug right over the slotted spoon and I'm ready to go.
That's smart, too.
Yeah.
That's probably more gentle.
So I whisk in that cream cheese.
Oh, look at that. Perfect. You did that. That's RTC right there.
Yeah,
that micro.
real-time cooking. Turn up the heat a little bit. Now I've got just the 4-cheese Italian blend that's shredded in your
Wow.
deli department.
It's got to be thick, though. You can't
Oh,
have
yeah.
can't have a runny,
Sauce
like
of any
saucy
kind.
like that.
You
It's
don't
gotta have
want
a
it
dense-
runny.
that'd be
That's why I have a
dense.
little bit of
Yeah.
heavy cream right here, just in case I need to add a touch.
What are some other egg dishes that you would enjoy for breakfast or dinner?
I would love a frittata, and I
Yeah.
think we've got one on the way.
How about like fried rice, like a ton of like,
Yeah.
you know, it's like the
Yes.
scrambled
Oh.
potato, even it's like an over easy egg on top.
All right, you guys ready for this to come together?
Can't
Yeah,
wait.
I can't wait. We sit here for like 30 minutes.
Buying time for me. All right, we've got our English muffin, right?
Ah.
Toast it. You know what to do. It's toasted. We've got a little bit of our roasted tomato that we just blitzed, just a little bit of
You mean
Italian
marina?
seasoning.
I love that. Look at that.
Look
Does
at
not
this.
look like it came out of a can. You know that came off the vine from the back.
You know, I'm gonna come in with a little pepperoni disc love,
Yes.
right?
Dude.
Gotta put it around
This
the edge.
also reminds me of being a kid and my mom making English muffin pizzas.
Under the broiler.
Yes.
Yes.
That's it.
Yes,
Same thing.
very much.
Uh-huh.
Yes, very much.
Talk about a
And
cheap,
then
cheap
we
and
get a
delicious
spoon.
snack.
Get one of these babies off. Beautifully microwave poached eggs. The
Such a
GZ
good
method.
hack.
I mean,
Oh,
come on,
Look at that.
GZ.
I mean,
They look better than a regular poached
they
egg.
know.
really are.
They look like when your kid has all the play food.
Yes.
Oh, get crazy.
Oh, my.
oh,
What in the
cray, cray.
world?
That's nuts, bro.
This is not right.
Oh, no.
What?
Oh, that
Oh.
was just like.
What?
Oh, it was that's a dance move right there.
What's that? It's called the stracciatelle.
You like that? All right,
Do the
just like a
stracciatelle.
pizza over the top.
Oh, Jeff.
Red
more.
chili
Oh, yeah, you gave me some
Whoa.
sweetness on there?
Oh, honey,
Gotta
it's
hook
coming.
up some
It's one of the
basil,
things we really
just like
love,
a
those
good
trends of honey.
pizza.
Dude, they got to zoom in on that lanch going on. Look at that
What's
lanch.
happening? Don't mess up the
Wow.
ranch.
Avalanche
This is
dog.
definitely dinner because if you had this for
mean-
breakfast, you would not move the rest of the day.
A little spicy honey.
Well,
Sometimes we say
yeah.
hot and people wonder if I'm saying temperature. No, no, no.
No,
I'm
people.
saying spicy honey.
Oh, man.
Wowzers.
There you have it. It's my
Wowzers.
very easy pizza eggs Benedict.
beautiful.
It's
Sonny.
in my tummy.
Pookie's looking fire.
Let me know what you think.
That's $28 right there.
Yeah, you think I could put that on
I'm
the
gonna
menu?
do a little,
Come on.
just a little bit. Oh, that beautiful
Look at
yolk. Look at that.
Mm.
Look at you.
Yeah. Yeah.
This is just so unique.
Uh-oh, is that good or bad, Jeff? Look at this cheese pull.
That is crazy, and that was just
Wow.
in my mouth, now in my belly. But I love that cheese sauce because it replicates the stringiness
Yeah.
of a good cheese pull from a hot
Here,
pizza.
you want this one?
Charred pepperoni, one of my favorite flavors on the planet. Definitely my favorite smell. And the runny yolk mingles with it all, almost give it this other, another layer of luxuriousness.
what you need.
Nice, well-toasted English muffin, a little fresh basil, a little sweetness from the honey. I mean, this is it.